60 million years ago, the ancestor of the largest land animal on Earth was a small mammal weighing less than 10 pounds. As this map shows, roughly 18 million years ago, the slow tectonic collision of the Afro-Arabian and Eurasian plates created a land bridge. This collision allowed these early mammals to migrate out of Africa and begin a global expansion. This migration led to a massive diversification of species. The fossil record reveals semi-aquatic relatives that lived in marshes and massive variants equipped with strange downward-facing tusks. However, the late Pleistocene extinction event acted as a severe biological filter. Rapid climate shifts wiped out dozens of these species, leaving even the woolly mammoth to die out in small, isolated island populations. Surviving a 60 million year evolutionary gauntlet required extreme physical and mental resilience. The modern elephant is the final result of that long-term survival strategy. Out of that ancient lineage, only 3 species remain on Earth today: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. Each survivor carries traits shaped by its habitat. The African bush elephant evolved a concave back and massive ears heavily laced with blood vessels, which allow it to vent body heat in the blistering savanna. Contrast that with the Asian elephant. Living in the shade of denser, mixed forest habitats, it evolved smaller ears, a convex spine, and relatively smoother skin. These 3 species are the last living representatives of a lineage that once included dozens of specialized giants across nearly every continent. The elephant's trunk is a muscular hydrostat, a fused upper lip and nose with no bone or fat. This anatomy makes it one of the most versatile tools in the animal kingdom. Beneath the tough skin is a dense network of 150,000 separate muscle fascicles, providing enough raw torque to uproot entire trees. That strength is paired with incredible sensitivity. The tip of the trunk can grasp and manipulate delicate objects, like a single piece of fruit, without crushing it. Supporting this anatomy requires specialized pillar-like legs. The bones are stacked vertically under the body, allowing the skeleton to support up to 6 tons of weight for hours without fatiguing. Inside the feet are fibrous cushion pads. As the elephant steps, these tissues expand and contract to distribute the animal's mass, allowing a 6-ton creature to walk in near total silence. Merging 1,000-pound lifting power with the sensitivity to handle a single seed gives the elephant a physical range unique among land mammals. Operating that body requires a brain weighing up to 12 pounds, the largest of any terrestrial mammal. This processing power drives a complex society where family groups coordinate their movements over vast distances. Their cognitive abilities are rare among animals. They demonstrate mirror self-recognition, use branches as tools, and show prolonged empathy when investigating the remains of their dead. Look at this animation of their communication. By generating low-frequency rumbles, they send seismic vibrations through the Earth's crust. Other elephants detect these signals through their feet, up to 10 miles away. Because of their massive dietary needs, elephants act as keystone species. Their daily actions physically reshape the environment for other animals. During severe droughts, they dig deep into dry riverbeds. This creates water holes that sustain dozens of other species when all other surface water has vanished. An elephant's intelligence and behavior make it a structural pillar of its habitat. If they are removed, the surrounding ecological network begins to collapse. For millions of years, an adult elephant's size made it invulnerable to natural predators. That dynamic only shifted with the rise of human civilization. Over the last 4,000 years, humans harnessed the elephant's power and intelligence, utilizing them as heavy working animals and instruments of war. Alongside physical labor came cultural reverence. Across Asia, they were elevated to deities and featured in religious texts as symbols of wisdom and strength. But the modern era disrupted that balance. Rapid human expansion caused habitat fragmentation, while the industrialization of the ivory trade targeted them directly. Driven by the price of ivory, poachers have decimated wild populations, driving the African forest elephant to critically endangered status. We revere them as icons while threatening their existence for ornaments. After 60 million years, the survival of this lineage is now entirely dependent on human choice. Conservation now focuses on dismantling illegal markets and reconnecting fragmented habitats to stabilize these populations. These 3 species are the final remnants of a global dynasty that once dominated the Earth. Saving the elephant preserves a biological lineage 60 million years in the making.